Hello guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this super cute bunny wedding scene. I initially thought I could use this as a wedding favor, but then it occurred to me not everyone is that crafty. This little house is way more difficult than it looks. As you can see, it's miniature. Maybe it took me like 18 hours altogether. If you want to know how to make this walnut shell wedding favor DIY dollhouse, keep on watching. So this is the actual packaging and how cute. It's also like pastels and lovely. There's 6 different ones, but this wedding time is the one that I chose. I can't even believe I found this. They have it on Amazon and also on Wish in a few sites. It does comes from China, so the instructions are a bit challenging to understand, but they are clear because they have pictures, which made it way easier than it would if we wouldn't have them. Here we can see like you can do the little clothes for the bunnies, which I just thought that was like so extra, so cute. And the reason why I really love that it was a walnut shell is because there's a story when my dad was dating my mom back then. He carved into a shell like a little nativity scene. And that just reminded me of it, and I thought it was so cute and I had to accept the challenge. So here I'm starting to cut a few pieces. And the material that comes with it is very precise. There's no room for mistakes or very little, because everything comes measured. So this is one of my favorite parts where you have to get ready, the bride, just dress her up. It's like so cute. And I'm making the dress, like literally changing her clothes, and her wee veil is as well just so lovely. I had to use these pliers because it's not easy to use your fingers. The materials are far too small to even attach how it's supposed to. And I don't know, depending what website you order from, but it includes tools, which is the ones I'm using. On Wish, there is an option to order the kit with or without tools. But if you're crafty and you have this by hand, you won't need any more than what you're seeing on the video. Basically, it's the exact, the glue, scissors, the cutting mat. Yeah. So here I'm making the groom's little suit. And as well, it's just so cute. If you are crafty, this is not gonna be hard, but if you're not used to cutting small pieces, just be aware of it, and it is gonna be challenging. It's a bit time consuming. As I said, it took me about, no kidding, like stopping of course, 18 hours. Altogether was like 3 days with breaks. One thing I like about this is the templates. As you can see, I cut the fabric along to what the exact measurements that comes with the templates. They are so handy. Here I'm moving on to the bouquet, and it's super cute. I decided to get natural flowers because the ones that comes with are cute, but it just wasn't as impactful, I thought. So I went to my garden and got them. So here we're doing the bouquet, putting the metal string through the ribbon. And this was a technique that you kind of have to figure out. It's not explained too detailed in the instructions. So definitely, again, you have to be crafty. Once I have shaped the bouquet, then I cut the strings and put them around like so, and added my natural flowers. How pretty is that? Like now we have the pocket and the flowers inside. Same here, all the pictures cut out, the little carrots, I think they are. Now this part here involves metal wire working, like you have to shape it, and it's a bit challenging as well, but it looks really cool. The fabrics come like very measured. This is the wee tablecloth. We move on to the last step, which is the box. And as well, the instructions were very forward. We cut the template and bam, we put it in. And my favorite, we have to put the cake with the table on the dance floor. and we put the groom, so happy, next to the table, and then the bride. This scene is amazing. Wait to see how it turned. Overall, I give it a 5 out of 5 or 10 out of 10. I think it was really fun to make this. It is challenging, but we should all try something different, and hey, why not? I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more like this, and if you like crafts, you should watch this video in the corner because it's about a painting I done in the past. Thank you. Bye.